Hi and welcome to everyone. Today we would like to explain our project which is Women Security with SMS Alert System. Before going to presentation, I would like to introduce my team members. My team members are Omar Aiman, Intan Fatini and myself Tamil Selvam. First, I would like to explain the project description. This app actually is built up to help the user confronting danger and crime cases. This app also easy to access and allow user to send message by a single click, which can help the user to send message faster. This app is only for Android users. The objective of this system is to analyze the users of the application of women security with SMS alert based Android and to design the application to improve the security of the system. And this app also is to implement the women security with SMS about alert based on Android system. Now I would like to explain context and scope of the system. The context of this and scope of the system is this application system used by user which is woman that operates in any smartphones. Next, this application system is built as web-based and also used in online method. Finally, use basic securities of system and boost the system securities that's already existed. Now, I would like to explain project requirement. The source of the requirement is from stakeholder, document, system in operation. Stakeholders are users, operation of developer, architect, customer and tester. Document, we can get information from that can provide requirements. Other than that, system in operation, the system that already existed giving chance to stakeholders to try the system out. Now we talk about requirement elicitation technique. Requirement elicitation technique is the technique we can use to gain our information. First technique is interview. Interview provided predetermined question for the users. Document the answers and discuss any raised question during the interview. Next, observation. Observe the user's knowledge in using the application to improve and produce a better solutions. Last, document analysis. Document that imported data for future references and prevent any missed requirements from the stakeholders and functionality of the system. The functional requirement of the system is the system shall provide user the ability to manage its information. Next, the system shall provide admin the ability to identify current location of the user. Finally, the system shall provide user the ability to send SMS. The quality requirement of the system is operational. Operational, the system only can operate on Android phone. Performance wise, the respond quickly after activation button clicked. Availability, the system available all the time. Security, only admin of the system has access on users' personal information. The constraints of the system is first, the time frame. The system should be done in short period of time. Next, budget. We needed a little budget to meet stakeholders' requirement. Next, policy. The personal information of the users are not used for other purpose. Finally, team. A supporting team should be built to make sure no problem arises when building the system. Now, we're going to show the data flow of the diagram of the system. This is the context diagram. This will be the data flow diagram level 1. This will be data flow diagram of level 2. Now we would like to show the prototype of the system. First, prototype 1. We flash the screen of the women security system application. Next, the login page of the system application. Next, the registration page of the system application. Fourth, the instruction page after you successfully register the account. Next, drop down menu shown when the image icon is clicked. Prototype 6 will show settings for default message and 7 will be exit option of the application when the user requests to exit. 8 will be home screen of user's smartphone to add application widget. Prototype 9 lock screen of user smartphone with application button. Tenth will be message tab shown the message sent when activation button clicked. So in conclusion, the target user of the system will be women and the people who own a smartphone. Benefits of the system will be easy to use whenever needed, application available anytime. Next will be have an accurate tracker which help to find the user easily. Finally, good performance in terms of response bring convenience to the users. That's all from us. Thank you.